Hi everybody, it's me. I know last time you didn't know it was me when I did one of these lessons, so I'm showing you it's me. And we're going to start a new lesson today. So, we are going to start off with our game first. Even though we play it second, I'm going to show you how to do this one first. Now, with this one, what I want you to do is we've got a counter, and we're going to flip it on a number, and we're going to use the bigger number for the ones column. So whichever number is bigger. Let me show you how that works. I've got a 5 and a 3. So which number is bigger? The 5, that's right. I've already done some examples on here. I'm going to do a few more for you. So, you are playing with a partner. You only need one sheet, okay? And we'll pretend that this is my side. I believe that was a 3 and a 5. So the 5 goes in the ones column, and the 3 is the smaller number, so it goes in the tens column. We're going to do it again for our second number, kind of like we did yesterday, except I believe we were spinning with that one. I got a 6 and a 4. Which number is bigger there? That's right, the 6. So my 6 goes here, and my 4 goes here. We want the bigger numbers on this side because we're trying to learn how to regroup. And if we don't have the bigger numbers there, we might not get to regrouping. So I'm going to show you what to do with a sticky note. Let me grab my sticky notes. Here they are. You can try this and see if you like adding this way. So I'm going to put my ones here and my tens here. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to add up 5 and 6 and put my answer here. So what is 5 plus 6, everybody? If you know 5 plus 5 is 10, you know 5 plus 6 is 11 because 6 is 1 more than 5. So 11. Now I'm going to tear off the part of the sticky note I used. And I'm going to put my ones in the ones column. There it is. And my tens in the 10 column. So I know my answer is going to be 1 for the ones column. And now I've got a 1 here. I'm going to add up the tens, because it's not really a 1, it's a 10 in the tens column. And I see that I can do 1 plus 3 is 4, and that makes a double, because 4 plus 4 is, that's right, 8. And I'm going to put my 1, and I'm going to fill in the 1 that I carried up here or regrouped, and my answer is 81. Now my partner would go. I don't have a partner, so I'm going to pretend to be my own partner today. 2 and 6. What's the bigger number there? 6. So I'll put my 6 here and my 2 there. And now I've got to get my second number. A 4 and oh, look at that, a 4 and a 2. So what's the bigger number? 4 and 2. I'm going to grab another, oh, I can still use this sticky note. I have some left. And add 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. All right, so I have 10 here. I'm going to leave my ones in this column. And I'm going to put my tens up here. So I have 0 ones, and let's add up my tens. So we've got 2 plus 2, or 20 plus 20, equals 4, or 40, plus 1 more equals 5 for 50 in the tens column. I'm going to put my 1 up here that I carried and put my 0 down there. Now I'm going to look at who got the bigger sum. And that would be this player, player 1. Player 2 side is over there. This is player 1's and player 2's. And if I got the bigger sum, I add myself a point. If the player 2 got the bigger sum, add yourself a point down there. All right, and whoever gets the most points wins. So that is what we're doing for math today. We're using our sticky notes. You know where they are in the classroom, or you can use your own sticky notes. Then let me show you what we're going to do for work. For this one, we have some pockets. I didn't glue my pockets in, but I think you guys have done enough pockets where you don't need me to glue it in. We've got some even sums and odd sums. Glue them in like pockets, and we're going to tuck them into the pockets when we're finished. Let me show you what we're going to tuck in there. I have some addition problems that I am doing. I've already done this one, and this one ended in a 2. We always want to look in the ones column to see if the number is odd or even. So 2, when I count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2's in there. So it would be even, or I can put 2 fingers up and match them up. Do I have any fingers left over? No, there's no odd man out, so that's going to be even. Let me show you how I did that one. I took my spinners. Doesn't matter which spinner you use, they're both the same. And I got a 2, and we're going to see what the bigger number is for this one, and an 8. Oh, okay, so 8's going to go in the ones, and 2's going to go in the tens. Let's spin again. We got a 4 and a 5. So 5's going to go in the bigger column, the ones column, and 4 is going to go in the tens. You can do this with a sticky note if you like that way of adding. Ones and tens, we're adding the ones column. So 8 plus 5 is what? 8 plus 5 is 13. We've got a 10 to regroup at the top and a 3 in the ones column. Here's my 3 and here is my 10. And let's see, now I've got 40 plus 20, or 4 plus 2 is 6 or 60, plus one more is 7 for 70 tens. So I put my 3 in the ones, and I can carry my 1 up here. Even though there's not a box, I can still leave it there. So my answer is 73. You're going to go through all the problems first. Then when you're done, you can mark them even or odd. In fact, you can even do it while you're doing your problems. I'm going to mark that one even so I know it goes in the even pocket. What about this one? It's got a 3. So when I count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, is it in there? No, I didn't see 3. Let's put 3 fingers up and pair them up. I've got a pair with an odd man out, so this one is odd. So when I'm all done my problems, I'm going to cut them out and put them in either my odd or my even pocket. So that is all our work for today. You can put your name on the help list if you need any help, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, enjoy math.